Good morning everyone, I am Mrs. Priyanka Gupta and I welcome you all back, and today we are going to start with chapter 5 again and of class 8 subject science. In chapter 5, chapter 5 is coal and petroleum. In coal and petroleum chapter 5 we have to discuss about the topic that is petroleum, right? So children, open your page number 79. Now see here, if we talk about petroleum, what is petroleum? Petroleum is also known as the crude oil, and it is also known by its name black gold. And if we talk about petroleum word, when petroleum word is divided into two parts, petroleum is derived from the Greek word and it's divided into two parts, petra and oleum. If we talk about petra, petra means rock and oleum means oil. So it is also called by its name, that is rock oil. It is also called by the name crude oil. It is also called by the name black gold, and petroleum is also called by the name that is rock oil. Now if we talk about petroleum, अगर हम लोग petroleum की बात करते हैं, petroleum is a black color liquid, thick viscous liquid, and it is having a very unpleasant type of a smell. And petroleum is found deep beneath the earth's crust, inside the rock, and petroleum being very light in weight, so it floats on water and it does not mixes with water. It is insoluble in water. Now further, if we'll talk about formation of petroleum, so there are different type of small dead decay plants and animals which are buried under the soil and which are buried under the sea, rivers, formed in shallow sea millions of years ago under the layers of clay and silt, forming petroleum by anaerobic bacteria acting upon them in the absence of air and due to heat presence. So by this process the formation of petroleum is done. Now the next process is occurrence and extraction of petroleum. Now if we talk about the occurrence, petroleum is not found at all places on earth. It is abundantly found in the Middle East, countries like Kuwait, Saudi, Iran, Iraq. Although if we talk about America is also a big producer of petroleum. Then also it imports petroleum from the Middle East countries. And if we talk about India, in India petroleum is found in Assam, Digboi of Assam, in Bombay, at Bombay High, and in areas of Gujarat, in some areas of Gujarat. And mostly petroleum occurs in the Gulf countries. Now further, if we'll talk about the extraction of petroleum. Extraction of petroleum is done with the help of drilling rigs. Drilling rigs is a type of, you can say, instrument. It's a type of pipe जो रॉक्स को पूरा कट करते हुए नीचे रिजर्वॉयर, जो रॉक्स के नीचे जो रिजर्वॉयर होता है पेट्रोलियम का, वहाँ तक पाइप को डालते हैं, फिर वहाँ से पेट्रोलियम को फेच करते हैं. तो एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ पेट्रोलियम इज डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ ड्रिलिंग रिग्स. Now the next one is the refining of petroleum. Now if we'll talk about the refining of petroleum is done in a big blast furnace. And as I have told you right now कि petroleum is a dark black viscous fluid, sticky viscous fluid. तो petroleum को big blast furnace में डालते हैं, उसके बाद it is heated at several temperature. हीट किया जाता है, फिर उसके बाद अलग अलग टेम्परेचर्स पे डिफरेंट टाइप के प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्म होते हैं. लाइक सी ऑन पेज नंबर 80 इट इज़ गिवन. First of all, petroleum is a mixture of different compounds of hydrocarbons such as gasoline, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil, these types. So crude oil is refined in oil refinery by the process of fractional distillation. See here, diagram is given on page number 80. Fractionating tower. is a diagram of fractional distillation, और यू कैन से जब आप हायर क्लासेस में स्टडीज़ करोगे तो केमिस्ट्री में आपको इट विल बी शोन इन द बिग ब्लास्ट फर्नेस. फिर उसमें क्या होता है, इट इज़ पेट्रोलियम इज हीटेड एंड एट सर्टेन टेम्परेचर्स डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स आर फॉर्म्ड. लाइक सी हियर in your book it is given ki in fractional tower from one side steam is going and from the next side residue is coming out, right? और फिर इसके बाद it is heated, तो heavy oil, kerosene, light oil, gasoline, petrol, naphtha, so these are the products which are formed after heating petroleum on different temperatures. These are the different type of products which are formed at different levels. Now next one is the fraction of petroleum obtained on fractional distillation. Okay. Now children, we will discuss about the topic that is fractions of petroleum obtained. When petroleum is put inside the fractional distillation process, तो उसमें हम लोग को जो different type के products which we are getting, now we are going to discuss about these products. So these are the type of 9 products which we are getting from petroleum through fractional distillation process. Now the first type of product is the gasoline. Gasoline is the first type of product which it is very light in weight, that's why it is formed at the top of the fractional distillation. And gasoline gasoline is a type of petrol and ordinary petrol, you can say. Now the second one is the type of petroleum gas. Now petroleum gas is liquefied under pressure and it is called a liquefied petroleum gas or LPG. LPG is used to fill the cylinders which we are using in our homes. Now the next one is the naphthalene. If we'll talk about naphthalene, it forms white crystalline solid at below 80 degrees centigrade, and naphthalene balls are used to keep in between the woolen clothes, so that the woolen clothes can be protected from the attack of the different type of insects. Now the next type is the light oil. Now see here, light oil, it is a good solvent for fats and it is used in dry cleaning of the products. जो भी products use होते हैं dry cleaning के लिए, dry clean होते हैं, तो उसमें किसका use होता है? That is used by the light oil. Now next is the kerosene. Kerosene is the type of, again it is a type of liquid fluid material and it is generally used for burning something. Generally kerosene is used in early times. If we talk about the kerosene, so kerosene is used in homes to cook the food and for lighting the lanterns also. Now the next one is the diesel oil. Diesel oil again used as a fuel to run heavy trucks and engines. जो diesel oil होता है, again this is a type of fuel, और जो heavy vehicles होते हैं like engines है, trucks है, तो उसमें diesel oil का use होता है. Now next one is the heavy oil. If we'll talk about heavy oil is a type of lubricating oil, is used as a lubricant to lubricate engines, motors and machines. जो भी इंजन्स होती है लाइक मोटर्स होती है या मशीन्स होती है लाइक जनरेटर्स फॉर एग्जांपल, तो उसमें यहाँ पे हैवी ऑयल का यूज़ करते हैं सो दैट इट कैन लुब्रिकेट द पार्ट्स ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर मशीन और पर्टिकुलर मोटर और इंजन so that it can easily perform its work. Now the next one is the paraffin wax. Paraffin wax, it is used as a type of ointment and it is used in different type of cosmetics, medicines for to make the different type of products for daily use. Now the last products is the bitumen. Bitumen is a part of crude is not evaporated by the steam and is left behind as solid residue. तो bitumen जो होता है ये treat नहीं हो पाता, just it's a solid type of black part, तो ये as a residue it is left behind. तो bitumen का use कहाँ पर होता है? Bitumen is generally used for the surfacing of the roads. जो roads होती है तो roads की surfacing में bitumen का use होता है. तो these are the products which we are getting from the fractional distillation of petroleum, and I have told you about the uses of these products also. So children, thank you. And the next part, that is the natural gas, that we will discuss in the next part.